So, guys, where were we in last class? Last class's notes I haven't shared, huh? Okay, I'll share after the class. Okay, today class notes and I forgot. Yeah, guys, please remind me once I was done with my class. Okay, to share the notes. Okay, I was like having a lot of works and lot of classes. Okay, fine. So, I'll let me share my screen. Confirm me. Are you able to see my screen or not? Yeah. So I think we have done with three operators, right? Am I correct? Yesterday we are discussing bitwise operators. Am I correct? Yeah. Yesterday one new batch of DSC started. Okay. So what are the different kinds of operators, Aleke? Can you tell me? Okay, that is the third one. I think one, two classifications. Okay, no problem. It's a bitwise operator is one classification you can say. Next one. Yes, correct. So we have discussed these three so far. Am I correct? Okay. Murphy, I just want a quick recap. Okay. One and zero. Okay. One bitwise and with the one. What will be the answer here? Yeah, it will be one. Okay. One and zero. Murphy, you only tell because yesterday was very bit uncomfortable yesterday. Yeah. This one, one and zero. Yes, one and zero, zero, right? Okay. And zero and one also zero, right? Okay. And zero and zero also zero. Am I correct? This is clear. And I told you clearly, okay, just remember by using, a car, okay. Sorry, it's a cycle. Okay. Take the example of cycle. If single tire got punctured, okay, the cycle will stop. Okay. That's the logic. Okay. Like how my math teacher you used to say in my schooling. Okay. That I was telling you guys. Okay. Now, Srimuki, can you tell me now for this one? I think you are good, right? Okay. One R1 pipe. Okay. This is the pipe symbol. Can you tell me the answer? One R1. One. And one R0. Yes, correct. One. And zero or one. Then comes zero or zero. You tell me. Zero. Yeah. So guys, for this one, I gave example of a car. Okay. If a car got punctured, it has a Stepney wheel, right? Okay. You can replace that. Okay. Even if two tires got punctured, there won't be having any option. Am I correct? Right, guys? Okay. And the last one, XOR operator, right? Okay. Alekya, this question is for you. We have done with the bitwise AND. Okay. This is one and one is one, remaining all are zero in AND. And OR means zero or zero is zero, remaining everything is one. Now you tell me about XOR operator. Okay. Murphy told about and Shimuki told about OR. Now you tell me about XOR operator. Okay. One XOR with one. Can you tell me the answer? Alekya, are you able to see my screen? You forgot, huh? Hello, Alekya. Am I audible? Yeah. So I was asking this XOR table, one XOR with one. What will be the answer? No, just zero. See, remember, XOR means if both are same, it is zero. If both are different, it is one. Okay, I told you clearly. Don't forget. Even I used to forget this rule a lot. Often I forgot this rule. Okay, okay, confusing actually. Just try to remember. Both are same, it is zero. Okay, if both are different, it is one. Okay, right? Okay, so try to have some blind logics, okay, so that you can remember for a long time, right? Sorry, both are different one and both are same. Both are same. It is zero, right? Yeah. This is the table for XOR operator. Okay. So I used to remember like different means it is shape of one, right? You can say something like at least when compared to S same. Okay. Difference is very close to one. Okay. So that's how I used to remember. Okay. It's up to you. It's up to you how you can remember. Okay. Just frame in your mind. Okay. But yeah. So this is the three tables which we have discussed. Okay. So we have done with bitwise AND operator. In the bitwise operators, how many operators are there? Sushmita, you tell me how many operators are there? Bitwise operators. Bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR. Uh-huh. The negotiation, the complement, yeah. Then right, correct, correct. So we have done with the three operate. We have done with the arithmetic and logic completely. And yesterday we have done with these three. Am I correct? Right. Okay. Now we'll move for the complement operator. Okay. See, right? If you remember, Alekia, yesterday I have asked you, right? Like these are the two numbers, okay, inputs, and this is the output for AND, output for OR, output for XOR. See, I was applying the same logic. Okay, after getting the proper output, you convert this to decimal, right? Alekia, is that clear? Yesterday you were not able to answer that, right? So you know now you know, right, how to convert this number to decimal. Yeah, can you tell me now how can you convert a binary number to decimal? Yes, 2 power 0, 2 power 1 like that. Okay. Okay. So multiply with the actual bit with it's a placeholder. We can okay. Okay. Yeah, done place. So we can say this is a placeholder, but just leave it all. Just multiply with 2 power 0. Suppose if I want to convert, if it is an octal number, okay, if it is an octal number, right? I want to convert to decimal, then with what you need to multiply? 8 power 0, 8 power 1. Okay, like that. Okay. Right, guys. Okay. Yeah, let us move to the next operator. Okay. Complement operator. Okay. Bitwise complement operator. Come on, guys. Guys, actually, this complement operator, you need to calculate one's complement, two's complement. This is a lot of process is there. Okay. So I don't want to teach in that way. I'll just give you the shortcut. Okay. So even I used to learn in that way only. Okay. It's up to you if you want to learn the difficult way you can learn that, but I'm an easy student, so in my easy it's a 2 mark question actually to calculate a complement for any number, something like that. Okay, so I don't want to give that difficulty to you. So simply I want to give, suppose complement of 5 means, okay, just have minus at the beginning and open the bracket and write 5 plus 1. That's it, 6. Suppose complement of 7 means, what is it, complement of 7 means, okay, right, the same way, minus, open the bracket, 7 plus 1, this is 8. This is the answer. Okay, right, just remember this way, guys. Okay. I don't want to make this more complex. Okay, right, guys, is that clear? Guys, is that clear? Yeah, just it's the simplest way to get the answer. Okay, otherwise you need to calculate one's complement and two's complement. Even I used to forget that. Okay, just leave that. Okay.
When is that minus nine?
Minus? Sorry, I'm not getting you. Please go ahead again.
Is that minus is point?
Oh, sorry. I haven't done. See, -6 and -8. Okay, sorry. It was my bad. Okay, I was mistake. Okay, suppose if it is something like negation of 10, come on, it is -11. Am I correct? Okay, negation of, you got it right? Alike, is that clear?
Yes.
Thank you. See, let us use that negation of 7. It should be -8, right? See, am I correct? Negation of 10. It should be -11. Okay, just remember this way. Okay, so we have done with the complement operator also. Okay, now we'll move for right shift and left shift. Okay, guys, is that clear? Okay, just a minute, guys. So basically, this Python is easy when compared to Java, guys. Okay, trust me, I am working in Java. Okay, in industry from last 4.5 or 5 years, right? Okay, I feel so easy when compared to Java. Okay, so learn properly. Okay, and the demand also, now we have a good demand for this Python. Okay, the Python will open ways for to become a data engineer, to become a data scientist, or to become a Python backend developer, right? There are a number of ways. Okay, you can go for testing as well. Okay, some Python scripts are there for testing also. So it will be a junction for all those opportunities. Okay, so try to learn Python properly, and believe me, it is the easiest programming language. Okay, the same thing if it is in Java, we need to write big syntaxes. Okay, lot of concepts are there. Okay, right? Okay, yeah, it. Okay, now go for shift operators. Okay, if you want to ask, how the experience with Python, no, ask Sushmita. Okay, she is a data engineer. Is that right, Sushmita? Okay, you can ask her how the real time experience in Python. Okay, she's working in Python now. Okay, yeah, you can ask her. Okay, Sushmita, please guide my students. Sushmita, please guide my students. Okay, okay. अरे, क्या है? Right. Like actually, the thing is, if you have experience, no. So if you have experience, getting job is easy only. But if you are a fresher, no, in India it is too difficult. Now the situation is too worst. Okay, no placements from TCS, Infosys, Microsoft. Sorry, leave Microsoft. Okay, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and all. No, very difficult now. Okay, okay. But for experienced people, okay, you can get not that easy, but still, if you learn some subject, no, you can at least if you give 5 interviews, you can crack one interview. But again, it depends on the demand. Okay, for data engineers and Java developers, data scientists, we have demand. But for remaining tech stacks, no, we can't expect that much calls from the Naukri and all. Okay, again, it depends on the tech stack actually. Yeah, right. Okay, let me start with the shift operators. Okay, shift operators, right? Guys, what are the different types of operators? Shift operators? Dushmita, tell me. The operators. Yep. Right shift and left shift. Okay. Right. Suppose if someone is asking 8 left shift by 2. 8. See, the left shift symbol is this one, guys. Okay. 2. Yeah. Guys, can someone tell me how we can do this, bitwise? Come on, guys. Anyone? Apart from Sushmita? No answer. Sushmita, can you try this? 8 left shift by 2. See, this is left only, right? Yeah, left shift only. Yeah, please. Okay. Yeah, how we can make 8 into. Yeah, yeah, correct. Just go on mute. Just go on mute. 2 4s are 8. 0. 2 2s are 4. Guys, please observe, right, how I am converting in decimal to binary, okay? And 2 1s are 2, okay? And the remainder is 0. Am I correct? So 1 is the 1 0 0, right? Okay. Now we have a 4 digits, right? Okay. Remaining 4 you fill with zeros, okay? On the left side, okay? Make it as a habit. Now the meaning is left shift by 2, okay? Now you remove this. See, first you draw the 8 bits, okay? Now remove these 2 bits, okay? Remove these 2 bits, right? Sorry, remove these 2 bits, okay? Right? Left shift means from the left side you remove 2 bits, okay? Now after removing shift by 2, okay? Left shift, okay? The meaning itself is indicating, na? Remove 2 bits and left shift the total number, okay? See, now this 0 will be coming here, and this 0 will be coming here, and this one will be coming here, and these 3 zeros also coming here. Right, guys? Okay. Now, how many bits we have, guys? We have removed 2 bits from the right side. Sorry. 2 bits from the left side. Okay. And we have moved all the bits to left. Okay. Left shift. We have already shifted. Now, compensate these 2 bits on the right. Okay. That's it. Now you calculate the value now. Okay. This 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, right? So that means this value is 16. See, 8 left shift by 2, the value is 16. Guys, are you able to understand how I calculated now? See, first I have drawn 8, sorry, first I converted 8 to binary. Now my binary number is 1000. 1000. Then I have written 4 zeros to make 8 digits, okay? Right? Okay, on the left side. Now I have removed 2 digits and I have shifted by 2 places, like how left shift is done. After that, to compensate these 2 bits on the left side, I have added 2 bits on the right. Okay. Now, if you convert this binary number to decimal again, it is 16. Okay. Alekia, Marifia, are you able to understand this concept? Sushmita, are you able to understand? Thank you. So let us try that. 8 left shift by 2. Okay, 1 minute. Is it 16 or 34, guys? Calculate properly. This is 2 power 0. Yeah, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, right? This is 2 square, okay? 2 cube and 2 power 4, 2 power 5, guys. Sorry. It was a mathematical mistake. Okay, it is 32, guys. Okay. Shit. 32, not 16, okay? 32. Guys, you guys got it right? How I have calculated? Marfia, is that clear? Okay. So basically, the people will say, some people will give some shortcut. Okay, how that means 8, but usually I don't encourage the shortcut unless the logic is too difficult. Okay, so people will say, if it is left shift by 2 now, they will say 8 into 8 multiplied with okay 2 power 2. You got it? This means this is 32. The same answer is coming. Okay, suppose if someone is saying 8 left shift by 3, right? 8 multiplied with, come on, 2 power 3, right? How much? uh 2 power 3 means 8, 8 into 8, 64, right? Yeah. Yeah, but usually I don't encourage this kind of shortcuts because you might forget. Okay, but the logic is easy, follow the logic. Okay, if the logic is difficult, try to go for the shortcut. Okay, for a complement you need to calculate the ones complement, two's complement. I need to bring all the easy concepts now, so I don't want to bring all the easy concepts. Okay, so simply follow that. Okay, for the complement, but this right shift and left shift, don't I suggest don't follow this, but it's up to you, up to your comfortability. Okay, let's see, am I going a bit faster? No, right? Basically, my way of speaking is a bit faster. Okay, some, my remaining batch, some other batch students used to say go slow. That's why I was asking you guys, if are you comfortable with? Okay, okay, right. So let us try with 8 right, sorry, 8 left shift by 3. Okay, 8 left shift by 3. Okay, 2 power 3 means how much? 8, 8 into 8, 64. Okay, see, 8 left shift by 4. Wait. Murphy, can you tell me the answer now? Yes, yes. 2 to 4 means 16. 16 8, sir. Even I was bad at math. 16 8, sir. Yeah, yeah. Leave it, leave it, leave it. 128. So you got the logic, right? Alikya, are you able to understand this concept? Thank you. Okay, now the left shift is done, and I have told with the shortcut and the actual logic. Okay, now we'll go for the right shift. Okay, I think this was the last operator of bitwise operator. Okay, yeah, guys. Based on the left shift logic, can you guys give a guess or give a try? How can I make right shift? Give a try. I'll give you 2 minutes. Give think and tell me how can you make right shift based on the left shift? Just quite the opposite, guys. Okay. Earlier we shifted to left. Now we shifted to right. Okay, that's it. Just give think a while and tell me for 2 minutes. I'll give you the time. Yes, yes, that's only. Okay, just let's give it a try. Okay. See, let us try with 6 right shift. See, right shift means this way. Right shift by 2. Okay. First, as usual, convert 6 to binary. Okay. The 6 and remainder is 0. And 2 ones are 2. And remainder is 1. Okay. So the final value is 1, 1, 0. Alekya, is that clear how I converted a decimal number to binary? Is that clear, Alekya? Now, what I told, now I have only 3 digits, right? I want to make it to 8. Okay. Then compensate with all zeros. Okay. Same thing, guys. Okay. Okay. 5 zeros I am keeping. Because my left side, this zeros does not have any value. So that's why I want to make it to 8 and I am making it. Okay. Now, right shift by 2. Okay. Now what you need to do? Come on, guys. Now I can't change the removing 2. Yes, yes, yes. Remove 2. Okay. Right? Now you need to shift all the numbers. Okay. 1 will be shifted to here as a first number. 0 will be shifted to as a second number. Like that. Okay. Now, yeah, you shift all these 4 bits to here. You know. Okay. Now I have 6 bits, right? Now you compensate remaining 2 bits with zeros in the left side. Okay. That's it. Okay. See, you want to compensate, add zero simply. Okay. See, first, if it is left shift, move left, add zeros at the right. If it's the right shift, move right, add zeros at the left. That's it, guys. Okay. Now, Alekia, can you tell me what will be the answer of this expression in the decimal form? Yes, 2 power 0 into 1. Correct. 2 power 0 into 1. It is 1. Okay. So, 6 right shift by 2, it is, the value is 1. Okay. Let us try that. Okay. Guys, I think you might be pretty clear how we can calculate left shift and right shift. See, 1. Okay. So, for this also, there is a shortcut. Okay. The same way, people will say 6 right shift by 2. Na? So, yeah, earlier we multiplied, right? Now divide. 6 divided by 2 power 2. So, 6 divided by 4. Okay. Right? So it is not a normal division, it's a floor division. Take a floor division. Okay. So see, basically in C language or Java, the division operator will give you with the fraction, sorry, without fraction. Okay. So C language and Java eliminate the fractional part, only give you the decimal part. Okay. But the Python, the problem is it will give you the fraction part, right? Guys, am I clear? So that's why, okay, 6 floor division, take the floor division for shortcut, or else you divide, okay, you can take the division, right? Okay, you divide. 6 by 4 is how much, guys? I think 2 point something, na? Yes, the answer is 6, sorry. Yeah, yeah, 1 point something, okay. So remove the fraction part, okay. So remove the fraction part, okay, answer is 1. This is the shortcut. So for left shift, we have multiplied, and right shift, we have divided, okay, with the powers of 2. How many bits you want to shift? Make a 2 power of that and do multiplication or do division as per the requirement, okay. Right, guys? Shimuki, Alekia, is that clear? Okay. Right, guys. Let's move for ternary operator. Okay. Ternary operator. Ternary operator. Yeah. Guys, this is the yeah, this is one kind of operator, okay? Ternary operator, okay, which is very important, you can say. I just want to share one experience with this ternary operator. It's been a year. I was in Walmart. Okay, I was giving interview. They have asked first. They gave a problem statement. Okay, I wrote the problem statement. It's pretty easy only. Then they asked me to solve by using ternary operator. Okay, so in that scenarios, you need to be pretty sure what is ternary operator. Then only you can put the logics, right, guys? Okay, guys, am I making sense? Let us start now. Ternary operator. Okay. Okay. So, so basically, here we need to see the what is first value and what is second value. Okay. Okay. Let me write the rule. So, Shmita, can you tell me the rule of this ternary operator, if you remember? Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. We told reverse Shmita, if condition is true, it will be the first value. If the condition is false, it will take the second value. I will be telling. No, don't worry. Okay. Okay. Got it. Just a minute. Yeah. See, see, something like x equal to. First, I will write the rule. If condition is true, if condition is true, then first value will be considered. If condition is true, the first, guys, don't worry, I will be explaining that. Okay. If condition is true, the first value will be considered. Else, second value will be considered. Okay. Okay. See, x equal to, I'll give you one example, right? X equal to, let us assume, okay, A equal to, come on, 20 and B equal to 40, right? Now I'll give you one expression, just observe it carefully. If x equal to, you can say 60, x equal to 60, if A less than B, else 20. Guys, what you have understood by this statement? I have pronounced it in such a way to make you guys understand. If x equal to 60, if A less than B, else 20. What is your conclusion with this statement? This is the ternary operator, guys. Okay. That will be more better, right? Yeah, correct. Yeah. X equal to A plus B. X equal to A plus B. If A less than B, else A minus B. Yeah. Guys, what you have understood? Marfia, can you tell me, Marfia? No problem, no problem. See, this is the syntax. Okay. So first you need to write if, then condition, okay, then else. Okay. So basically, the condition is there now. The condition is surrounded by one if, one else. Okay. So the value which is left side of the if, no, if the condition is true, my x will be assigned with the left side of the if. If condition is false, my x will be assigned with the right side of the else. Are you able to make this logic? See. Wait. I'll give you. See, basically in Java, no, it will be a bit easy. Basically, so basically, how we write in Java, no, if A less than B, okay, we'll have some question mark. Okay, if it is less than B, okay, y equal to A plus B, else column A minus B. See, in Java, what we should do, if it is A less than B, my y will be assigned with the starting value. If it is false, my y will be assigned with the second value. This is Java code, okay? But in Python, okay, we need to follow this one, okay? First, we need to write the condition. That condition should be surrounded with if and else, okay? So left side of if keep one value and right side of else keep one value, okay? Right, guys? So if the condition is true, left side will be assigned, and if condition is false, this value will be assigned, right, guys? Is that clear? Alekya? Srimukhi, is that clear, guys? Kushmita, are you clear now? Okay. Let us try this on a pie chart, okay? Guys, I feel by this time everyone has installed PyCharm and Python software. Am I correct? Are you practicing this regularly? Okay, please practice, okay? Because after some point of time, you will forget everything if you're not practicing, okay? Whew. Let us try that, okay? Right, guys, okay? So come on, A equal to 20 and B equal to 40, okay? X equal to, come on, A plus B, X equal to A plus B, when, if A less than B, this is the condition which I framed as per the normal logic, else X equal to A minus B, right, guys? Print of X, that's it. See, x equal to 60, right? Let us assume a equal to 50. Then, Alekit, can you tell me can you tell me the can you tell me the answer here? Value of yes, sir. If here a less than b, the condition is failing, so we'll go for the else block. Okay, 50 minus 40, super 10. Yes, correct. See, guys, okay, right, guys. So, guys, are you able to understand how the ternary operator works? See, this is the syntax they have defined. Okay, nothing to do. Okay, with that syntax. Okay, we can't, we can't express like how it came and all. Okay, just a minute, guys. Okay. Right. Okay. So using this ternary operator, see, there will be some important interview question. Using ternary operator, let's take this as a homework. Okay. Using ternary operator, see, guys, after a lot of days, I'm giving the homework. Okay. Please take this seriously. Okay. Using ternary operator, find the greatest of two elements. Suppose if A is there, B is there, no, you need to print A is bigger, B is bigger, like that. Okay. Greatest of two elements. Two elements. And the second question, using ternary operator, find the greatest of three elements. And don't copy from internet. Okay. Try on your own. Find greatest of three elements. Right? Okay. Elements means values only. A, B, C, like that. Okay. You can say two numbers if you're confusing, no? Two integers, you can say. Okay. Sorry. Guys, everyone, I expect everyone. Yeah. I'll try this. I'll copy this on notepad. Okay. Right, guys. Okay. So tomorrow no, I'll ask in the starting of the class. Okay. If you guys able to solve, then fine. Or else I'll solve it. Okay. Right, guys. Oof. Guys, I have a bit of tongue stammering. Okay. Some words I can't pronounce properly. Yeah, just adjust with me. Okay. Okay. Um, Oh, nice then. Okay. Then next operators are special operators. Okay. So till now we have done with the arithmetic, right? Arithmetic, then logical, then comes bitwise. Sorry, relational. Yeah, bitwise and relational. Okay, and relational and ternary operators also we have done. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now the next classification is special operators. Sushmita, can you tell me what are the special operators? You are aware or you're able to remember? I don't think you'll answer this question. Sushmita, are you there? I'm asking Sushmita. Yeah, no problem. Anyone tell me. Who is this speaking? Sushmita. Hello? Okay. She's on mute, I think. Sushmita, are you there in the class? Yeah. I am asking you, what are the special operators you know? Okay, fine. Remember, okay, if someone is asking in the interview, how will you answer, right? Okay. Python defines the following two special operators, okay? right? One is identity operator. I think this one I told in the beginning of the class while explaining immutability.
Is not right.
Is correct. Is okay. So identity operator, which is nothing but is operator. I have told while explaining the immutability concept. I have told, right? Okay. Can someone get the context how what I told about immutability, how the is operator is used to check the immutability? Can someone tell me? Anyone? If you guys tell me, really great. Exactly. If you guys tell me, means really great. Second one is membership operator. Is very easy. Okay. These two are the special operators that are there in the Python. Okay. Anyone? Guys, what is immutability? Okay. I told, I have taken two variables earlier and I was explaining the immutability concept, right? Okay. I think 5 classes back. And I was proving the immutability with the is operator. Anyone? Apart from Sushmita? Yeah. Alekia, any idea, Alekia? I think on that day I have asked you, you told properly next day. But can you remember what is immutability? Yeah. Okay. Listed tuple and all fine. I was speaking about with respect to variable. With respect to variable, I told no. Yeah. Immutability is, whatever you told is correct. Okay. Can you tell the same thing with respect to variable so that I can explain about is operator? I told you by drawing some boxes and all, right? No problem. See, basically, I'll tell again. Please remember, okay, with respect to variable, what is immutability? Okay, suppose x equal to 100. That means, okay, there will be a box filled with 100 and the address of the 100 will be stored in x. Okay. Okay, the address of the x will be stored in the x. That means we can say my x is pointing to the value 100. Okay, suppose again, if I want to make more simplified, suppose if I know your door number of your flat or your house, okay, then I can say I am pointing to your home. Okay, so here x holding the address of this 100, so x will be pointing to this 100. Okay, now exactly. Super. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So if you assign y equal to 100, then there is something called Python virtual machine, okay, which is executing a program, Python virtual machine. Okay. This Python virtual machine will check any location is already having 100 or not. If there is already a location having a value of 100, it won't create a new location. Okay. It will simply point out to that location. Okay. And it will simply hold in the same address. Right? Okay. So that means if two variables are holding the same value, then two variables are pointing to the same location. Okay, right, guys? Okay. It is something like you can compare. Suppose even I went for, suppose I went to do the job in some location. Okay, suppose let's say I went for Delhi to do my job. Okay, and my friend also coming to the same location, right? For Delhi to do the job. Okay. Then instead we can take same room and we can share, right? Okay. The same thing you can compare here also, right? Okay. Guys, am I making some sense? Guys, are you able to understand? If the requirements are same, then why to create, different location? Okay, the same thing, right? My friend has came to Delhi to do the job, and even I went for the same. Okay, then why can't we take two different flats? We can take a single flat and we can adjust now, right? The same thing. Okay, if x equal to 100, and why the Python virtual machine again will create a new box? It is simply wastage of memory, right? Waste of memory. Am I correct? Okay, so that is the advantage of immutability. Okay, so so yeah. So this concept, I think you were aware. But why I am calling this is immutability or immutability means, suppose if my x equal to 100, if my x equal to 100, and after some that is fine, that concept is clear. I just want to tell you one more point. If x equal to 100, so after some point of time, because someone is writing x equal to 200, right? Okay, now this actual location won't get affected. Instead, my x will be pointing to the new location. Okay, new location. Okay, 200. Okay, so my what I mean to say, the actual location is not gonna affect. Okay, so this link will be broken, and this 100 will be eligible for garbage collection. Okay, this will be collected by garbage collector. Okay, right? Okay, and my x will be pointed to new 200, but my actual location of 100 won't get affected. Guys, is this point is clear? So that's why variables in x are called immutable. That means my actual location, the values are not getting affected. That's why it's called immutable. Okay, guys, is this point is clear? Guys, can someone tell me why this why this rule is defined like this? Any guesses? See, this is I'm going in-depth knowledge. Okay, in-depth. So I am asking why they have defined like this. Okay, so okay, we have created x. If you want to modify, why we are going for a new location? Why can't we actually modify that? Why they have defined that in that way? Anyone can answer this? Super. Yes. Correct. Exactly. That's what I'm expecting. Suppose if x equal to something like 100, okay, and y equal to 100, and z equal to 100. So what will happen is here? So as per the Python virtual machine, okay, it will create a same location. It will create a same location of 100. All my variables are gonna point to this 100, right? But at some point of time, someone is changing x equal to 200, x equal to 200. Okay. If I change in the actual location, okay, if I change in the actual location for 200, my y and z is gonna affect, right? Guys, is that clear? If I change here, my y and z will be affected. So instead, because of that reason, my x is creating a new location with 200. Okay. So hence the variables are immutable. Okay. Like tuple and like tuple, my variables are also immutable. Right, guys? Right? Okay. Guys, can someone tell me among list, set, tuple, and dictionary, what are all mutable and what are all immutable? Alekya, you tell me, Alekya. List, tuple, set, dictionary. What are all mutable and what are all immutable? Wait. List is mutable, set is mutable. Okay. Tuple? No, tuple is immutable. Yeah, you can say immutable. Okay. Immutable. And dictionary? Mutable, right? We can change the values, right? It's a mutable one. Now, Arfia, can you tell me among these four, which one has the same insertion order preserved? See, list, tuple, set, dictionary. I am asking you, which one has the insertion order preserved? I think if you go by the recordings, I was telling on the high dictionary. Yes, insertion order is preserved. Correct? Yeah, preserved. Okay, very good. Dictionary, you can say insertion order is preserved. Yeah. Remaining three. Which one has insertion order preserved? Oh, okay. I think you haven't attended this class. Okay. Srimukhi, can you tell me which one, yellows, sorry, which one has the insertion order preserved? Murphy told dictionary is the correct answer. Out of remaining three, which one holding the same insertion order? List having same insertion order, correct? And out of these two, Srimukhi, which one having the same insertion order? No, set instruction order is not preserved, guys. Okay, please remember, okay, and watch my recordings, okay. If you forgot, okay, don't forget, right? Set insertion order is not preserved. Okay, apart from set, everyone insertion order is preserved. Okay, Alekia, now you tell me which one allow duplicates out of these four. Which one allow duplicates? Sorry, which one don't? Wait. Yeah, which one don't allow duplicates? I want to say. Yeah, you can tell in the same way whatever you're telling. Yeah, please go ahead. Tuple allow duplicates and don't allow duplicates. Oh no, Alekia. Only set is the one. Yeah, set is the one which is not allowing duplicates. Okay, just remember, guys. Okay, guys, you are very bad at remembering. Okay, see, set is the one which is not allowing duplicates. Okay, no duplicates. Okay, no duplicates. Okay, right. And set is the one insertion order is not preserved. Okay, right. And tuple is the one which is immutable. Okay, you need to make this concept fingertips, guys. See, okay, I am a Java developer officially, but you know how I am teaching Python, right? With these, okay, you need to say that way. Okay, right, guys. Okay. Okay, please keep this point in fingertips because the interviews, you know, they will start with here only. Okay, right. Okay, so we have done with the bitwise operators. Okay, and we have started with special operators. Yeah, now is operator. See, is x equal to 100 and y equal to 100. See, is operator you use it to define whether they're having the same address or not. Okay. See, id of x will give you the address of x. Id of y will give you the address of y. You can see both both variables having same address, right, as per the concept which I told earlier, right? Now, is operator will tell you whether they are pointing to the same location or not. Okay, see, x is y. See, true. Okay, suppose z equal to 300, my is operator will give you the false. Okay, x is z. See, now it is false. See, guys, is this point is clear? Thank you, guys. Okay, now we in special operators we have done with the identity operators, which is. Okay, right, guys. Now membership operator. Pushpita, can you tell me what is membership operator? In, correct. In, guys. Okay, this is the one which we frequently use in the logical programs. Okay, just understand this one. Okay, I'll tell you. Suppose list L equal to some numbers. I'll take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah. Now I'll say 10 in L. Okay. See, by in simple English, right? 10 in L is 10 inside L. Yes, right. It is true. Suppose if I tell 22 in L. See, guys, Murphy, can you tell me is it true or false? Yes, false. That's it. So this is about the special operators. One is, second one is in operator, guys. Okay, we have done with the special operators and we'll be stopping for that today. Okay, right, guys? Okay, let me stop recording and I'll upload.